Hello everyone, in this video, we'll make your Windows computer faster by removing hidden junk and cache files. To begin, hold the Windows key on your keyboard and press R. This will open the small Run window. Type the word Prefetch into the box. Then click OK. You might see a message asking for permission. Just click Continue. Now you're inside a folder filled with temporary files your system no longer needs. Click on any one file to highlight it. Then press Ctrl+A to select everything. Now you can right-click and delete the files. When asked if you're sure, click Yes. This removes the files permanently instead of sending them to the recycle bin. Next, press Windows+R again. This time type Temp. T-E-M-P. Then hit OK. You'll see another folder with more unnecessary files. Again, click on any one file, press Ctrl+A, then delete all the files in that folder. If you're asked for confirmation, click Yes. This folder often holds leftover files from apps and system processes. Now let's go a step further. Press Windows+R once more. Type in Temp Percent. That's the word temp with a percent sign on both sides. Click OK. Another folder will open. This one has temporary files created by Windows and other programs. Select all files using Ctrl+A and then delete them. If some files can't be deleted because they're in use, that's okay. Just check the box to skip those items and continue. Finally, we'll use the built-in cleanup tool. Press Windows+R again. This time, type cleanmgear, all one word, and click OK. A new window will open asking which drive you want to clean. Pick your C drive, then hit OK. Windows will now calculate how much space it can free up. Once that's done, a list will appear. Check all the boxes, like Recycle Bin, temporary files, thumbnails, and anything else you see. Then click OK and confirm that you want to delete the files. That's it. You've removed a large amount of hidden junk from your system. Your computer should now boot faster, run smoother, and feel more responsive overall. Thanks for watching.